thing I want to show you before we jump over to a different workflow is there is live commenting now in the workflow. So before you did have your comments, but HubSpot has a beta out where you can have more of a live interaction, live chat experience. So before you might have had to refresh your page or something like that. But in case you aren't familiar with the commenting or you're wondering where the commenting was, it's always been on the right-hand side. Now, like with everything else in HubSpot, it's on the left-hand side. You'll find it here. You can drag it up or down. And here I have this comment area, and I can either comment overall just in this area, or I can say it's specific to this action. If you have a built-out workflow and you only have a question on this, I can click on that action, tag an internal team member, and then ask them a question. You got formatting, and I just comment there, and then she'll get a notification. She can reply back to here, and then once you're done with it, you can resolve it. Don't forget to resolve your comments, especially if they're questions. So once you're done, you can always just check off this resolve comment, and now that's cleared. You can always go back to find all your comments or resolve comments, but I like to keep it clean for that. So just want to let you know this comment mode is now found on the left-hand side.